Hi guys, Robin here with WTI. I want to talk to you about these PQ earplugs. These have changed my sleep for the better. PQ earplugs have gone above and beyond with their packaging. Look at how beautiful all these are. They have a variety of different size packages, different colors, which is great if you have multiple family members you are buying earplugs for. No matter the color or size you get, the quality of these products are absolutely phenomenal. I will not be going back to my regular earplugs, and let me explain to you why. So firstly, the thing I love about these is it just takes a couple seconds to warm it up to make it pliable, and then it is super easy to insert into your ear. What I absolutely love is it doesn't go into your ear canal. It kind of makes a seal around it. So unlike other earplugs that you have to twist and poke into your ear canal, this one seals around it rather than going inside and expanding, which provides a really superior seal and sound blocking technology. With a flat surface like this that you create, it also allows you to lay on the side without any protruding earplugs, giving you a really comfortable night's sleep. I absolutely love it and can sleep easy and in comfort. But that's just my point of view.